In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Roblox without downloading it. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. For this method, all you have to do is open up your preferred web browser, and we need to go to a specific website where we can play Roblox without downloading or installing anything. Of course, you still need an internet connection, but like I said, you won't need to download any files as long as you visit the website. So, for whatever reason, if you cannot download Roblox, just open up a web browser and go to this website, www.now.gg. As you can see, I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use anything you like Opera GX if you are a gamer, or Firefox will also work. Go to now.gg and you'll be redirected to this page. What you have to do here is look for Roblox. You can just scroll and look through the games, but if you cannot find it, you can simply search for now.gg Roblox on Google and access the first page. As you can see, the app on my region is not available, but on your region, like the United States, it will probably be available, and whenever you visit this website, you will have the option to immediately log in and start playing Roblox, either as a guest, or you can just, like I said, sign into your usual account and start playing right away from your browser. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Roblox without downloading it. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.